Hey everyone, welcome to day 7 of 1000 Days of Programming. Today is a bit special because it's been a week since I started streaming on YouTube while solving leetcode problems. But we have a small problem. I've only done 5 questions, and after I have completed today's, it will be six. But as you can guys can see from the title. It should be 7. So I didn't miss a day, but it's because yesterday I was trying to solve this question, trapping rainwater. It's a leak good hard, and I'm not able to solve. I was not able to solve it in an hour. So yeah, I'll attempt this question today, and after I solve this. I'll attempt another one. It's a lead code easy, so it should not take a lot of time. Yeah, and one other another thing that I would like to fix is I've done a lot of Python coding stuff, and I have not focused on Java. So I would like to uh, do the question which question like problems that I have done in Python and Java as well. And that's other thing that I would like to do. And yeah, it's been a week, and uh, that's like really a big milestone for me because the most amount of time that I have a consistent might be about a week. So if I'm consistent for a single more day, then I can say that this is my personal best on the number of days where I've been consistent. Yeah. So saw this. Yeah, I just opened my screen to check if my audio was being transmitted correctly. Yeah. Uh, yeah. I've yet to solve a question today. Let's get to it. It's about 9 o'clock right now. Usually I solve the questions at 4 in the morning, but uh, I woke up late, so I'm doing it uh, right now. So yeah, let's get to it. Let me open my Excalibur. So what I did yesterday was I kind of made a rough I wrote a rough pseudocode on like what I should do, and I was stuck on how to like check this condition if is enclosed. So yeah, let's start from there. So we have to find if let me show you guys the question. So this is the problem that we need to solve. So right now what uh, I need to do is uh, there are these boxes, right? So I have to find the walls that includes the the unit of waters. So for that, to check if it is enclosed. So let me change the color to blue. Okay. To find if water is enclosed. So right wall is height of J for J in the range I to N. So right walls. So just So what will right walls do as uh, height J for J in range I to N, where N is the length of the thing. Alright, as enclosed equals I have to if it is enclosed or not. So for this water block to be enclosed, to the right of the water block there must be something. There must be a wall which is okay. F uh, uh, where is this? So let me just match this with this somewhere over here. I'll just put it in a way that I can see all of them together. All right. Maybe not. Let's make. All right. This will work. F. So I have to get the height of the left wall, which will be height L. So right, F height L and right walls. So what? So what's happening is if height, so right height is less than left height, and then the difference is height left minus height right. Units equals units plus difference. Uh, mm, uh, what did I wrote it yesterday, so I'm not sure on what units mean. I'm probably thinking that it's the water blocks. So water units equals height of left minus height of right. So height of left minus height of right. So left height is 2 and right height is 1. 1 is 2. All right. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, R units. So like it's R units. Right water units equals right water units plus difference. Yeah. All right. So like everything works. I just need to test for the its is cases. So and is enclosed if height of L and uh, Okay, so I just need to it around me the let's let's make a for loop fuzzy range I to n. So fuzzy range and f height of j is greater than or equals to uh left. So left what height of left, then is equals to okay, so and it's Python. I don't need the curly brackets. Uh, but in range I to n. So why I to n? It's because okay, so like I can just paste it over here and it should work. So yeah, find range n in range I to n. So for the first iteration, as as ANC equals equals false. Yeah, it's just pseudocode that looks like Python. So I'm using curly braces and like colons wherever I like. Yeah, is enclosed equals true. Okay. Now the above elevation. I I kind of forgot that I was streaming for a solid minute or so, so I might have not been speaking for a while. Yeah. So from now, I'll like tell you guys my thought process and what I'm thinking. So I've got this loop over here, which like it iterates from like first to last, and I've got this nested thing here where it goes from Zane range I to n. So for the first iteration, it will be 0 to n. Okay. Mm, uh, I could just do something like as as the enclosed equals false, and then just uh uh let's break out of the loop. curly bracket are like better to know where the loop ends and starts instead of just indentations. All right, as enclosed equals to, and then this break. So check if it is enclosed or not. Or height j is equals to height of L is enclosed equals to and break is enclosed equals first and F. Height of right is less than height of left and is enclosed. Okay, let's look at it from the beginning. And I is not equals to 0. Okay, if HR is less than HL and is enclosed, so as check G in the range. Uh, So at first, the I will be equals to 0. So for the zeroth iteration, we've got z equals 0 as well. Uh, 0 z equals 0. Uh, where j I in n. So it will go from 0 to n, where n is the length. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So about 12. Uh, yeah, 3, 3, 3, 3. So yeah, it's 12. And equals 12. In this case, as 16 is off, we move to be agree. Okay, so now for j in range I to n, j is equals to 0. So if height j height j, what's height j? Height j is 0. So okay, height 0 is not. Let me take uh, an example of this instead of let me just use this. So where was it? Yeah. So we've got all of the value of Uh, and so let's so at first we've got left side is 4. Suppose Z in range I to N. So everything is 0. Height Z is 4. 4 is greater than height L and I is not equal to 0. So this will be skipped and enclosed will be false. As enclosed false, uh, since enclosed is false, this will not run. So yeah, now I is I is 2. Wait, instead of that, how about we do height of J as not equal to 0. So if we do something like that, then when I is equals 0 and height 0 equals 4, so this will be 4 and I is greater than height left. Uh, so what's height left? Height left is greater than or equals to height is greater than or equals to height left. So yeah, it's greater than or equals to height left. And if height say is not equal to it's not equal to 0. So enclosed equals to true. Alright. So this will run. And if height right is less than height left, yes, and is enclosed, which is true. So this will run and difference equals will get 2 unit equals 2. Alright, so we've got right unit equals plus minus uh no, it's plus equals difference. So difference is 2, so we'll get 2 plus, and r equals 2, so r equals 1, r equals 2, and l equals what's l, and l will not increase. All right, so we go over it again, and now we've got r so left is still 0 and r is 0 1 2. Okay, r is 2. Since r is 2, we'll go over here and we'll check if height j is greater than or equals to height l. Uh, so let's go iterated over I. Iterated over I, so this will be 1. And since 1 to n is 1 to 12. No. So I is 1 and 1 to n is 1 to 12. So height of j is greater than or equals to height of height of j is greater than or equals to height of L. So it's 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So height of j is we got j equals 1, and as 1 is uh, greater than height of j, 1 is greater than or equals to height of left. Yeah, this is true for the first iteration. For the second is greater than or equals to height of j is it will always, oh wait, it will always be true. Okay, I see my fault over here, so this would be plus 1. So it will always check for the I plus 1. So it will check over to the right, left, left, so it will be right, right height equals height of j. So right height, f right height is greater than or equals to height of left, and height of j minus 1 is not equals to 0 and current is not equals to 0. Then is enclosed is true. F height of right is less than height of left and is enclosed. Okay, let me just check over it now. Again, so j is, we've got j equals I plus 1. So uh, we've got j in the range I plus 1. So I is, we'll say is 2. Okay, 2. Right height is, okay, so right height is right now. Right height is greater than, so right height is not greater than left height, and we'll go over it again. So it will look at 3, and right height is greater than left height, which is true. It will enclose is equals to, and it will break it. All right, and if is is enclosed equals to, which is yes, height right is less than height left. Height right is less than height left. Height right is this, which is less than height left. Yes, and is enclosed equals to 3, which is also true. So difference equals height left plus minus height right. Height left is this 1 minus height right is, yeah, that's, so it will be 0. 4 minus 0 is 2. So like it's 4. And right height will increase by 1. So that is right will increase by 1, which is right equals 3. And got on the third place. Uh, this will loop again. So it will, so I will be equals, so I will equals 2, and since I equals 2, it will look over here. I equals 2 and check if it's enclosed or not. Uh, j is, so j equals 3, and right height equals height j. Um, so j, so j is equals to 3 over here, and height j is that's 3. So yeah, uh, that's 3. And this is, so we've got height of left, height of no, never mind. It should be right height, and right height is 3 and is greater than equals to height left. There's no height left anyway in the code. It's, yeah, so I think what I could do is I'm thinking of like editing these two extra lines, adding them over here. Alright, so we've got height of right, height of left. Yeah, so right height equals, so right height equals 3 right now. So this will be equals to 3 and is uh 3 greater than or equals to, so is our h is greater than or equals to HL height left, which is not, which is not equal to 2, and the height left, yeah. So this will be false, and it will go over here again, and it will be was j equals 3, but now it will be j equals 4, and j equals 4 is also not, right height is not equal. So it will be j5. When it comes up to j5, which is obviously true, and j height minus height of j minus 1 is not equals to 0. Ah, wait, height of j minus 1 is not equals to, like, uh, this can't be over here because it will mess with a lot of things. So, but I'll keep it over here for now. But I definitely have to remove it in the future. So it equals 5, which is true, and equals to true. And since enclosed equals to true, we've got differences height of left minus height of right. Height of left is 4, and height of right is height r. So r is 3, so it's 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 1, and yeah, r is increased by 1 again. So r is 4. Uh, since r is equals to 4, we've got uh, this will be equal to 2 because 5 is greater than that. So height of right is less than height of enclosed. Yes. Height difference equals uh, difference equals height of left minus height of right. Uh, yeah, and r is height of left. This is 2, so plus 2, and yeah, and for the last piece we've got for the last piece we've got I is equals to, I think I will be equals to 4, right? Uh, so it will be here, and it will take all of these, and 2, and you say is 3 for this, 4, yeah, 5. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. What was it? 0. Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and for the 5. So for right now, I equals to 4. So this is run from n minus 1 times, but j in range I plus 1. So 5 to 5. But the last iteration, it will not. I guess it won't run for the last iteration. So I just increased n by 1. I'll get index out bounds error probably. So, but right now I've got uh, height of left equals height of. Right, let me just click on my stream. Yeah, I'm streaming. Wait, what? I thought it had been about 5 or 10 minutes since I started, but I didn't expect uh, uh for like 40 minutes to pass by. Hmm. Where was I? Oh yeah, I equals 4, so we increase it by 1, so it's 5 to 6. Ah, FRH RH equals height J, right height equals height of J. So right height we've got 5, so we've got right height. Oh wait, we won't get the index out of bounds error because this is not in n plus 1 is exclusive, so it will go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will stop at 5. It won't go uh like 6 or something. Wait a sec, but that. Oh, well, the length is 6, right? So I could just keep it. So length is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. But it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. No. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, like 4. So it should be n minus 2. But like it's n minus 1. Yeah. Uh, so we are on the fourth iteration, and it's last iteration. So that's five plus, and yeah, so j equals 5. Right hand equals height of 3. So it's our x equals 5 as well, because that's the height of this thing, this wall. And if right height is greater than equals to height left, this is true. And height of j minus 1 is not equals to 0, which is also true, but we don't need this statement. It was just, yeah, I'll just remove this statement for now. Mm, yeah, as encouraged to break. If height minus is height right is less than height left. So right now height r equals probably 5. So 5 is no, no. Difference equals hmm, hmm. Height r is less than height. Okay, so left height is difference is height of left, so this is 4 minus 5 as I can't. So difference is height of left. So what else? Height of left minus height of right. So HR is this one right northeast. I hope that's the case. Yeah, if that's the case, then I, I think I've solved it. So let's start a timer now. So where for iron rays of this, these will be dented. Let me just remove uh these. So no curly brackets, but we will have indentations. Uh, I was writing pseudocode, but it's like it is almost like Python code. So yeah, return unit r units equals 0. Uh, let's see. Where oh, so whatever will I get besides syntax and is not defined. So n equals len height. Uh, ah, wait, I'm not even soft. Like it should work because I've been doing testing all the cases for like about an hour. So this should work, but there's some edge cases which will not work. Yeah, output is oh, like all of them did work. So height is 423. Output is 0, 423. I'll just make a new graph over here. I'll just make something new over here. So we've got 423. Yeah. Uh, I'll just make a like this thing, like a area thing. So I've got this right. So right now I've got one, two, three. Okay, and I've got one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. About yeah. And now I've got so this is the 0, then that's one and two. For the boxes, it will be yeah, one. Uh, yeah, I'll try to make the figure like as accurate as possible. So these are the three boxes. Mm, yeah, and and as we can clearly see, the rain. There should be one box of rainwater and just put all this together. Right. So now I've got the graph and everything. So what I've got here is output is zero, but it's expecting one. Oh, I kind of get now. I've never kind of expected uh, this kind of thing to happen. So, and group Ctrl Shift C, Ctrl Shift C. Let me just increase it to match the thing. All right, so let's group it again. So what's happening here is since it just takes if the height of the rightmost thing is equals to the this left bar, uh, it kind of checks that, and since this left bar, the right wall is not equals to the height of the left bar, it just results in zero. Yeah. So now I know exactly what's wrong with the algorithm. Now I have to fix it. So how do I go about solving this? So this is so left. So this is the left one, and I've got this one and two. So what I can do is I've, I'm honestly out of ideas, but if I can like solve this, I'll probably pass 100 or more test cases again. But yeah. So what I'm doing as yeah, it's just for me. So I'll tell you guys what I'm doing right now. So what my algorithm does is I've got my my audio is off being transported over to YouTube. So what my algorithm does is it's just we've got this left wall. It checks if uh, the right wall is the height of the right wall is less than the left wall, which is true and is enclosed. So and it also checks if uh, the the right wall is enclosed or not. And since it is and since it is uh, and how does it check if it is enclosed or not? So it just checks if the height of the right wall is equals to or greater than the left wall. It checks that, finds that it is not equals to or greater than the right wall is not greater than or equals to the left wall. And then it just returns that it is not enclosed, and we get zero. Sounds good. So let me just copy this code. So text. So this is the entirety of the code. Alright, so I'll have to fix this, and I'll also have to fix this, right? So maybe I do know what. Uh, yeah, I might like add a if statement or something to like fix to get the difference from another way. But yeah, check if it's inclusion or that was in range I plus one, two, and uh, so what I can do over here is so what I have to do. There's like two things that I need to do. One is to fix this enclosed process. Let's say in range I and then plus one. So it just goes through the rest till the end. So like, is there a way for uh my let's say in range uh, okay, so what I can do of what can I even do? I'm really stuck. Hmm. I have to check if there is inclusion or not. For it to be enclosed, I'll have to get uh, I have to go from the left and so it's been about an hour. I've got a lot of time, but I'll try to finish it in 2 hours. This is the like the first hard problem that I'm attempting, so I don't really want to look at the solution. But the check if it is enclosed or not. Uh, my entire logic is incorrect over here. Hmm, so I have to look at the uh, left side, right, and left. Wait, I could just uh, wait. I can actually edit the previous uh, the logic on what I was doing something. Uh, my neck hurts from uh, wait. Yeah, I'm like way down below for the camera to pick up my head. Hmm. My neck really hurts from looking at the code. But I'm not really sure what I could do. Let, let me just undo what I did first. So what I can do is I've got this left wall. I also got this right wall. And I've the near wall. Right wall is greater than equals to uh, if right wall is greater than or equals to left no, no, it's a right height is greater than equals to left height, then only it like changes the enclosed thing to true. But what I can do is if right height is greater than or equals right height is less than or equals to left height. Maybe I could with I've got an idea which I could try. So I got uh left height equals height j minus 1 left height. So it's at 146. Uh, you know, I'd left After this 0. So Wi-Fi is still this. Alright, I can't do that. So left right. Uh, it's greater than. Like, did the case 3 not pass over here? Like when I used left right. Wait, what? How is it like this? 3? It should be 1, right? Ah, it like counted 1, 2, 3. I mean, maybe it did that. Height right is less than height left. If height right is less than height left. Ah, okay, okay, now I got it. So just two more in there and 3 more over here. So let's look at the case where there's 3 more. So like how can there be 3 more? 1, 2, 3. Uh, uh, let's look at over here. Let me bring the left height over here. Where's the, yeah, so left height and left height. So here's the left height. So it got 9 instead of 6. Uh, why did it get 9 instead of 6? So it's actually left right height is more than left height. Is right height more than left height? No, wait. If height right is less than height right is less than, yes. Yeah, height right is less than left height. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay. What if I change? So if I change it from 2 to 3, then I should get, so, and the test case, I'll make another test case. Oh, yeah. So this is from 2 to 3. I should get 8 as an output. Yes, I got A. Alright, so now I know the problem. So for now, the enclosed thing is kind of working. And now I have to fix this. Ah, if height right is less than height left and is enclosed. Ah, you're right. So I could use variable to denote that there's an air unit to the right and like uh, people doing the difference is like uh, so this is height left minus height right. That is enclosed. That thing is greater than or equals to. Okay, okay. I now I get the full picture. So now what I have to do is right now I just goes over here and just 1, 2, 3. So it kind of does this up. But now what I have to do is I just have to just ignore this block and go from here. So right of left, right of left. is- That is in group. Okay, so I found a solution, but the solution what I have in mind is we will just break the code again. I'm really sleepy and my neck hurts. Uh, I'll I'll, I'll H equals height c minus 1. So height c minus 1. What is left height is uh, uh this is so for that condition, for this condition, what I have to do is uh what I could do over here is so left height is over here. So when you come over here, uh, left height equals height left. So I'll get 3 over here, right? I got 0 because this is so I don't really know what I could do. Honestly, might have ran out of ideas. Uh, so this is the left thing, right? Left wall, right wall. Okay, what happened was has F. Oh, for height equals to equals yeah, just one. So where's that statement? So here we got height c minus 1. No, yeah, now both both of it stopped working. Uh, and just get it done. That's then is as close equals true. This will have the same result. Wait, that's and that's big. Yeah, it's the same now. Presume. I commented out. I don't know like how I've written it, but the code part's like really not easy to change things in here. 9 to display. And so if it is, so if it's pushed. Okay, I can so I can make an array. So I can just where my I'm over here. So what I can do here is make an array to the height of the things like uh 2 comma 3, and here I have like what I have is my battery is running low. So and here I just like It is enclosed equals to true, right? And if it is not, it is so outside the loop, what I can do is as enclosed equals false. So if enclosed equals false, then fact min uh, I've got a really inefficient solution that this could work. Uh, second request. There's nothing a second error. Uh, uh, we can add an APP append height J. Yes. Yes. Second error. F, F length of this second uh, set dot add height say F is not equals to uh, F. If length second is not equals to 1, and if list second array F uh, because it's like I'm not bothered. Or equals oh, alright, what equals I say I just realized I've not spoken since in about 5 minutes. I'm so sleepy right now, and I just want to finish this. Um, and then this close equals false. This is the right wall. This is the left wall. What I can do is I can find what hmm, it's right height is wait, uh sorry, R equals pp What I can do here is I've got my right wall, which is across. Let's see, I got pen. Uh, ah, every time I like think of a thing that I've got an idea or something, I just realize it won't work because of some in some other cases. I can't think of a solution right now, and I have to solve a lead uh, code question no matter what today. No matter what, I have to submit a lead code question today, and I'm definitely not won't be able to complete this question right now. I've got no idea on what I have to do. It's already been 1 hour 43 minutes, so I'm not giving up on this. I'll attempt it later on. Yeah, this will get uh, it's gonna be saved over here, right? So I'll just put in code. Yeah, I spent about one and a half hours trying to solve it, but could not solve it. That's why I'll move on to lead code easy question. The reason why I'm not looking at the solution is because that's the first hard question that I'm attempting, and I don't want to do it by looking at the solution. Yeah, so I'll move on to this question. Apparently, I've already solved this. I might have only solved like three lead code questions ever, and yeah, and it's yeah, I don't know how, but apparently it's one of them. Yeah. So a valid parentheses given a string s containing the characters blah 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 determine if the input string is valid or input string is valid. Open bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket. Open bracket must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Every closed bracket has so uh, can I sort this? Python 3 uh, a equals 1 2 3. No, not 1 2. So I'll call this open bracket. like I've got this close bracket, and I've got bracket, I've got close bracket, and I've got errors. All right. A dot sort and a. Uh, uh, I think it's easy. So yeah, F S dot sort sorted S is not uh, return sorted S is not equals S. Then S dot. Oh wait, uh, did sorted uh, SRT sorted equals sorted S SRT print S. Oh, so like I have to change it to string because it was returned less right now. Like add sorted string equals nothing. Uh, for each in as I will I'll just add sorted string plus equals each. Mm, I'm really struggling to convert list to a string. Convert list to a string Python. Uh, so uh, oh, I don't know, it's on uh, sorted equals dot join as been sorted. Um, okay, so return sorted plus equals s. So it should work expected false or true. Uh, open equals uh, 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 open open b close bracket open bracket equals uh, um, yeah. So let's just sort that. So return this return true. This return true as well. Open bracket must be closed. Basic if what I can do is take this bracket, put it somewhere else, and look for so hmm, what I can do is maybe I solved this. I remember solving this. So I should be able to do this. It's easy, lead with ease, so I should be able to do this in under 20 minutes. But I don't know why I'm struggling. Yeah. Let me just get the question. So open bracket must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Every closed bracket has a. Okay, okay, okay. So it actually, I must have three of these. I'll let you remember best closed by the same type of bracket. Uh, wait, what was the question here? So it's oh yeah, like I could do. I remember doing some like doing things in a stack. Uh, so how does a stack work? As yeah, so we got this bracket over here, a small bracket, and uh, it's got a closed bracket. Let's say there is like big bracket. If it is the opening bracket, push that into the stack, and if it is a closing bracket, and if it is a closing bracket, then uh, let's pop these two out of the stack, right? Hmm, my battery is low. Uh, yeah, so my right earbuds last about 2 hours, and my left ones last about 30 minutes. Alright, so I can push wait so this is how the stack works. So I put small bracket over here. I've got big bracket over here. I've got curly bracket over here. So if the brackets are the opening brackets, push it into the stack, and if they are closing bracket, then as kind of the brackets. So and ID. So it's 40, 41, 123, 125. Bruh, 40, 41. I was kind of thinking like using ASCII value to check if. So how can I check if uh this is the closing bracket of this? I could use a hash map. Pairs equals Uh, could use. I'll make a hash map of the key value pairs. So yeah, so these are the key value pairs of the hash map. And now for our characters in S, stars in S, F, stars in excuse me. Uh, um, um, stack equals uh, if charge is in open B, then stack dot add uh, second pattern. Is there a post top of the stack? So not append for pop like removes so I can just use stat dot appe append charge so like if it's charged like the closing and then if charged in close if the character is if the character is in closing is a closing bracket, then if character is a opening bracket, then it's append it to the stack. And if the character is a closing bracket, then what I can do is check if the char is if the character is instead of stack. Alright. There's a thing like stack dot top stack dot topmost equals stack dot top, and if topmost top pair equals stack. So paste if char equals top pair, then then false, then true. What the oh, it's a simple syntax error. This should pass all the test cases, right? No, list as no delimiter peak. I don't want to remove the thing. This thing is straight up lied to me. Deletes the topmost. I don't want to delete it. How do I look at the so I could just uh do something like uh this. Yeah, and only passed like four test cases. Uh, um, wait, yeah. Uh, I have to like pop the things as well, right? Hmm, hmm. What I can do over here is I like to pop out the things. If character equals top pair, then stack dot pop. Wait, if so opening bracket, just push it into the stack, and if it's closing bracket, then like stat top equals stat dot pop out the topmost thing. In this case, it's opening bracket and if stat top is not equals to is like is hmm, stack top equals standard pop, which is does is and stack pop. So I've got this spring so the pair so pause. Okay, this would work, right? Yep. So whoa, now it just passes at this species. I from ah uh, F then S equals is less than to R as close B can pause. Please let it not be like just 6 out of 10, 98 species passed. Oh, what is this, man? Yeah, just make sure it passes every single test case. So it's opening, but it's. I do remember that that's like really easy. There's the really easy way to do it. There was a solution. I'll just look at the solution. It's been about half an hour since I started doing this. Yeah. Whoa. You just siblings of that are there. For bracket and S. Bracket and pairs. Yeah. Bracket. Left lens tag equals lens tag equals 0 or bracket. Uh, if lens tag equals 0. Okay, if stack is empty or bracket is not equals to bracket is not equals to pairs staggered pop. Oh, I can now like just pop everything and if everything like this uh, and then if everything is not popped, just return what like things pairs equals. By the way, I'm not just blindly copying this. I've like understood it. I've already done it previously as well. So yeah, right now I'll just pop it as yeah. I know how it's done. I've done it previously as well. Uh, this is why I'm just copying it and pasting it. How did people get so some people just mapping equals used. Okay, they use dictionary like a string. Find range then S F S I N. Okay, bracket S bracket string A is equals to. But they didn't use stack. Yeah, yeah. You're supposed to use stack over here. According to leetcode, it's with like the stack brackets thing. Okay, finished. Now it's 2:20. I mean like 2 hours 20 minutes since I started streaming. Uh, let me look at my github.com/cctv/leetcode. So 1 minute ago, by the time this is. I kind of like I'm still where was it? Input tags. So if I wait, that's not the thing. Where's the stack? So I did this. Um, if I watch the solution, I can easily do it. I can understand the solution very well because I've spent more than 2.5 hours on this question. So if I look at the solution, I can just understand it without looking at the code. But since this is the first lead code hard question that I'm trying to solve, I want to do this without looking at the solution. Yeah, wait, let me just look at how many times have I submitted this. Okay, so in 2023, yeah, so this is, yeah, this is definitely not my code. So previously, when I attempted it, I could not understand it and I just copied someone else's code. Looks like because this is not something that I was able to do a year prior. Yeah, well, right now I kind of did this on my own, but was kind of planning to do this. But the only thing that I was missing would be this thing. But my approach was, yeah, like really similar. Okay, and now I guess I should just sleep. Right now it's 12. I have to wake up at 12 to solve this mini stack question tomorrow as well. Uh, Run a stack that supports push pop top and retrieving the mini. Oh, whoa! It's like wow. This is like the first question where I'll be doing OB stuff like yeah. Hmm. I'm like excited for tomorrow. Like I'll be doing OB. Will be instantly called as such. OBJ customer set. File object dot pop. Actually, like I can do this easily. I've done this a lot of times in high school. I think, well, I did in I did it in Visual Basic and pseudocode. So if I remember correctly, of things correctly, then I can do this and I can make the program in yeah this Python as well. Yeah, tomorrow's video code might be short because like I know how to do this. Let me just read the question before I go to sleep. So mini stack initializes the stack object where it goes with that means you must implement a solution with like I don't know like if people can get time complexity more than of one constant time because yeah input mini stack push mini stack what I read all of these tomorrow my earbuds battery is uh real low right now. Uh, let's look at my guitar. Please, I don't want to miss a day. Still, I just updated a README file. Yeah, it was just quick. Yeah. So, everyone, that was it for my 1 week of daily lead code challenge. I'm like really happy that I was able to complete a entire week of doing lead code. I'll try to be as consistent I was for this entire week moving forward. And yeah, that's what I want to say. And that's it for today's stream. I'll see you guys in uh, about 4 hours tomorrow. Yeah.